Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to follow someone in X. Following an account allows you to stay connected and receive updates from your favorite creators or friends. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of following someone in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Next, locate the account you want to follow. This can be done by searching for the username or scrolling through your feed. Tap on the account to access their profile. Step 3. Once you're on the account's profile, look for the three dots menu, typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dots menu to reveal additional options. Step 4. Among the options that appear, find and tap on Follow. This action will establish a connection between your account and the account you're following. Step 5. With a single tap on Follow, X will register your decision to follow the selected account, and you will start receiving updates from them on your feed. And there you have it. You have successfully followed someone in X, allowing you to stay connected and receive updates from their account. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be enriched with connections to your favorite creators and friends.